7 Myths about running an ATM business in the U.S. Starting an ATM business offers fast return of income, lower startup costs, and fewer barriers. Understanding possibilities and realistic expectations can help confidently decide to start your own ATM business. First myth, get rich quick. An ATM business can generate a solid income, but success doesn't happen overnight. Many independent ATM deployers, or IADs, start with just one machine, earning extra cash each month. With time, effort, and smart scaling, growing to 12 to 24 machines can build a steady, profitable business. Second myth, passive income versus semi-passive income. An ATM business lets you earn money while handling tasks remotely, like stocking cash and monitoring activity. However, it's considered semi-passive rather than fully passive because it still requires regular maintenance, such as refilling cash, addressing error codes, and ensuring smooth operation. Third myth, you need business experience or technical skills. Starting an ATM business doesn't require prior education or technical skills. Rapid technological advancements and a competitive market make it easy. There are many resources available to guide you, including technicians, user manuals, mentors, training programs, Facebook groups, and YouTube tutorials. A reliable ATM processing company like ATMdepot.com can provide step-by-step support to ensure you have everything you need to succeed. Fourth myth, easy to find profitable locations. Running an ATM business requires finding a high-traffic area with high cash needs, either replacing an old machine or finding a retail store owner, offering flexibility in case of failure. Fifth myth, easy to get a bank account. Opening an ATM business bank account takes more patience and strategy than a regular business account. Since banks handle large cash volumes for ATM owners, some may be hesitant or have strict requirements. To improve your chances, be prepared to open multiple accounts or use other banking products to show you're a valuable customer. Stay patient, respectful, and persistent. Sixth myth, you must have an LLC. Many new ATM entrepreneurs worry about the costs of forming an LLC, but you don't have to. Most independent ATM deployers, or IADs, begin as sole proprietors with a DBA or doing business as a simple and cost-effective option. An LLC offers limited liability protection for scaling, but a sole proprietorship is suitable for beginners. Seventh myth, cash is obsolete. ATM businesses in the U.S. are not becoming obsolete, as cash offers benefits like budgeting, debt avoidance, and business management, despite rising credit card processing fees. Summary: an ATM business offers semi-passive income, self-reliance, and constant service needs. To start, check out ATMdepot.com and get your ATM startup kit today. Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.